Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Caravan Dan Adventures. Well, since we sold our casita, I still want a e-bike, and I found one. Price, 40 pounds. Yes, I said 40 pounds. It's foldable, and a little bit of assembly is required. It's a pretty decent seat this guy. That's what it is. I had a bike. I had to get some of the other place here in the United States. Well, I think it's a 6 shot. Get out there. You get like that first. That's what it's like. See what's required. Unfolding instructions. Folding instructions. I did it. See that project. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. There's your seat post. Okay. It's a very nice size. It's a really good size one. Dodge. 2014 Dodge Grand Cherokee. Perfect for 56 size. See ya. Unfold. Here we go. We're going to unfold it now. I love that small. I think it's 200 more. See. There we go. Put it all the way up. Put it back. There's your matching seat right here. Beautiful, man. Look at it. Check it out. That's not a on 40 pounds. There's no separate battery. You can't get right now. I'm sure there's only 2 places at some point. Yellow. See that kicks me out. I think I'm in love, everybody. I love this small e-bike. Got a free pool noodle to go with it. Well, here's the seat underneath it. It's kind of a hard ride maybe, but that's why I'm gonna stay on the pavement and all, you know. You can adjust it right here a little bit. Adjust the height. We'll have to work on that. It's a nice looking seat, man. Just right for my little patootie. And you can adjust the tightness right here. Coming up with a handlebar. Right here. Okay, that's pretty much it right there. That's cool. Now we got to move our handlebar. It's pretty good. We're going to install the front fender. I really love this little Fiido bike. It's a lot lighter than the Red Rover I had.